Hello, so this is a quick tutorial on how you can crop your clips in Premiere Pro. So I have this clip right here. It's just a clip of myself basically. And if you want to use crop, say that you want to get rid of the edges so you can see the background of my PC desktop. So you go up to effects, type in crop, and it will come up just under transform, and then you drag and drop that on to your source of media. So what you want to do is highlight your clip for you, and then go over to effect controls. Luckily mine's already highlighted, and then you'll see a little crop logo. So what you can do is change the value of all of these numbers, or an easier way, highlight crop at the top, and then just grab your clip and move it where you want to using the sidebars. And yeah, easy as that. If you want any more tutorials of little bits that I know of Premiere Pro, let me know, and hopefully it helps you out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. But peace.